Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. -5 plus 5, then times 5 and over 5. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. Instead of this fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator, which is -5 plus 5 times 5 divided by denominator, which is 5. Now we have this parentheses and this division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have one addition and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before addition. So first we have to do this multiplication. 5 times 5 is just 25. So we have -5 plus 25 divided by 5. No, -5 divided by, -5 plus 25 equals 20. Okay, so 20 divided by 5, and 20 divided by 5 is just 4. So therefore our final answer to this problem is just 4.